It's science time. Today we will going to study about matter, particularly about physical and chemical changes. What is matter? When we say matter, it refers to anything that has weight and takes up space. As you can see class, I highlighted the word anything. Kahit na anong bagay na merong timbang at umukupa ng espasyo is considered matter. Matter can be in the form of solid, liquid, or gas. Gas is also a matter. Okay? Meron po ba yung weight? Yes. Does it occupies space? Umuukupa ba yan ng espasyo? The answer is yes. Everything around us undergoes changes at certain conditions, even those that seemingly do not change. Pag sinabi mong everything, kahit na anong bagay, lahat ng nasa paligid mo nagkakaroon ng pagbabago. Kahit yung mga bagay na hindi mo inaakalang nagbabago, meron po silang pagbabago. Maaaring hindi mabilis ang pagbabago na yan, maaaring matagal o kaya naman ay gradual. Parang ikaw lang. Dati, bata ka lang, baby ka lang. And then as you grow older, natututunan mo yung lahat. You can do almost everything on your own. Kasi nga, nagkakaroon ng pagbabago. Kahit ikaw. According to an old adage, change is the only constant thing in the world. Ang pagbabago ang isang bagay na hindi magbabago sa mundo. Matter changes physically or chemically. Okay, bibigyan ko kayo ng isang activity wherein you are going to identify the picture and tell if it goes or it undergoes physical change or chemical change. You have to tell your answer loudly, okay? Just tell physical change or chemical change. So the first picture is broken pencil. It is physical change. How about melted ice cream? Is it physical change or chemical change? It is physical change. Fried egg. Fried egg undergoes chemical change. Crumpled paper. Physical change. Burning wood. Chemical change. And slicing of bread. Physical change. So the next question is, what is physical change or chemical change? So ngayon, iisa-isahin nating pag-aaralan ngayon kung ano ba yung pagkakaiba ng physical change or chemical change. When we say physical change, it is the change in the appearance of the material without changing what the object is made of. Nagbabago lang yung kanyang itsura. Pero yung composition ng isang matter o ng isang material, nananatili pa rin. For example, yung broken pencil. Pagka ba ang pencil nabali, pencil pa rin ba yon? Yes. Ibig sabihin po nun, maaring naging dalawa lang siya. Nagkaroon ng pagbabago sa appearance, pero nananatili pa rin pencil yon. Yung composition o yung bumubuo doon sa bagay na yon, yun pa rin. Nananatili pa rin, walang pagbabago. Katulad yun sa second picture natin, yung ice cream, melted ice cream. Yung ice cream kapag ka natunaw, ice cream pa rin yun eh, natunaw pa rin. Yung lasa niya, yung flavor niya, nananatili. Physical change can change in state. It can be melting. So, pag sinabi nating melting, it is from solid, it turns to liquid. For example, yung ice that becomes water. Freezing is from liquid to solid. So, for example, is yung tubig na naging yelo. Evaporation is from liquid that turns to gas. So, yung tubig kapag kumulo, makikita mo yung usok. So, nagiging water vapor na po siya. Okay? And then condensation from gas that turns to liquid. Example natin dito is yung baso. Lagyan mo ng yelo. Mapapansin mo yung labas ng baso, nagkakaroon ng mamasa-masa. So, ibig sabihin nun, yung gas na dumampi doon sa labas ng baso, naging liquid. Sublimation. Sublimation is from solid that turns to gas. For example, is yung mga mothballs, yung mga pampabango sa cabinet, yung kulay puti. So, solid siya. After some time, makikita mo yung nilagay mong mothball sa cabinet mo na wala na. Nag-evaporate na siya, naging gas na siya. Deposition, baliktad naman ito. It is from gas that turns to solid. So, for example, is yung carbon dioxide, o kaya yung dry ice, yung nilalagay sa mga ice cream na umuusok. So, it is a frozen carbon dioxide. It can also change in state. So, yun na po yun, no? And then, change in size, change in number, change in texture. So, pag sinabi nating texture, rough, smooth, yan yon. While chemical change is a change in matter that results in the formation of a new material. Masasabi natin na ang isang bagay ay may pagbabago kung nagkakaroon siya ng panibagong product. Chemical change can be done through decaying, cooking, ripening, rusting, or burning. Pag sinabi nating decaying, yan yung nabubulok. Cooking, through pagluluto. Ripening, yung pagkahinog. Rusting, yung pangangalawang. And burning, yung pagkakasunog. Chemical change can change in odor. Okay? It can change in color, it can change in taste, and it changes also in appearance. Let's have another activity about physical change or chemical change. This time, sana nagkaroon na kayo ng idea sa pagkakaiba ng chemical at saka ng physical change. Okay, so I want you to have a sheet of paper. This time, you are going to write down your answer. So, write down physical or chemical change. Physical change, chemical change. Number 1 is breaking up glass. Answer only. Number 2 is fermentation of wine. Number 3, curdling of milk. Kung napapansin niyo yung milk, nagkakaroon ng pamumuo-muo. Next, number 4, cutting of wood. Number 5, tearing of paper. Number 6, baking of bread. Number 7, crush chalk. Last number 8, fried chicken. So now, let's check your answers. Check honestly. Okay, breaking of glass, that is physical change. Nabasag lang naman pero glass pa rin yon. Fermentation of wine, chemical change. So, nagkaroon ng pagbabago sa lasa. Curdling of milk, that is also chemical change. Iba na rin ang lasa niyan, nagiging maasim-asim. Cutting of wood, physical change. Tearing of paper, physical change. Papel pa rin yan pagka pinunit-punit mo kahit ilang piraso. Baking of bread, chemical change. So may mga raw materials na pinagsama-sama. Kapag niluto, nagkaroon ng change sa lasa, pati na rin sa itsura, pati na rin sa amoy. Crush, chalk, that is physical change. Chalk pa rin yan. Fried chicken, that is chemical change. So kung napapansin niyo kanina, no, yung mga way kung paano nagkakaroon ng chemical changes sa isang material, nakita yon sa picture na to. Changes in matter in the presence or absence of oxygen and through application of heat. The presence of or absence of oxygen and the application of heat can brought changes in matter. So, among the effects are combustion. When we say combustion, it is the process of burning something. So, the picture shows fire triangle. So, nakikita natin yung three elements that are important needed for fire to occur. So, kailangan ng oxygen, kailangan ng heat, kailangan ng fuel. Alisin mo yung isa dyan, hindi magkakaroon ng fire. Or, hindi magiging successful yung pagkakaroon ng fire. Rusting is caused by the reaction of iron with oxygen present in the air. This time, we will going to identify which affects the following material. So, balikan natin yung presence or absence of oxygen and yung application of heat. Okay. So, in our first picture, we have fireworks. Yung fireworks na yan, nangyayari ba yan? Yung mga colors na nililikan ng fireworks na yan, is it because of the presence or absence of oxygen or through application of heat? List down your answer. Next one is rusty rock. Bakit ba nagkakaroon ng mga rust doon sa rocks? Is it because the presence or absence of oxygen or application of heat? Discoloration in eggplant. Napapansin ninyo ito kapag nag-i-slice ng talong si mama. Nagkakaroon ng pagbabago yung kulay after a while. So bakit? It's because of the presence or absence of oxygen or application of heat. Burning house. So this one is very obvious. Last one is baked macaroni. Okay? So let's check your answer. Fireworks is because of the application of heat. Rusty rock is because of the presence or absence of oxygen. Discoloration in eggplant is also because of the presence or absence of oxygen. Burning house is because of the application of heat. Baked macaroni is because of the application also of heat. So I hope you did learn something from our lesson for today. Until our next lesson. Bye!